Morning. Finally in December. Let's go to start with gold. Gold started pushing down Sunday. Nice. Looks like we might get a nice wick fill on the weekly time frame. Look at the daily. So daily made a little top wick and then pushed down during Asian session. 48, 48.94. So we've already come down to daily support. If we break this support, gold can continue down, start heading towards this weekly support. We actually need a bottom wick for this weekly candle. That was 2 weeks ago. So if we get a closure below here today, I think gold will continue down, start making some bottom wicks, fill this clean range. Looks good. 4 hour. Got a nice 4 hour support and daily support. Lots of bearish candles, sorry. But these wicks, we can clear these wicks. Gold's good to continue down. Right, let's put this 4 hour resistance here. Massive range. Got low time frame resistance, 30 minute, 2636. We'll put this support here. I'm gonna take this off because we know we're at daily support level. Gold is very bearish. Yeah, looks like a closure below. And we're good to go down. $100 range to the next support on the 30 minute. Yeah, I wouldn't really count this one. Right, so that's gold. Pound yen. So we're holding at this weekly support for pound yen. It did hit the weekly target that I was looking for last week. Daily's currently bullish. It's respected last week's low. I want to see if this support holds for pound yen. If it does hold, then we can see retracement back up. If it doesn't and we close below, we can drop all the way down to this weekly support. Nice clean range again. There is some nice fundamental news coming out this week. So Bank of Japan could raise its interest rates. That could potentially be bearish for GJ. So we'll see what happens throughout the week or month. It's 4 hours pushing down with no top wick or barely a top wick. Already broken a previous 4 hour low. So it looks like it might be sells today. If the daily flips bearish, going back down. Hi Cap, do you want to shut up? 190.45. I'm not going to put the resistance here until this candle closes. I'll leave this 4 hour resistance up here. I'll leave this weekly support. We've got a nice strong resistance at 1912 area. And then a support all the way down here. Just below the daily flip. A nice big range to sell through. This might have been a nice early trade. Only thing is the daily's bullish right now. So I like the sells for pound yen, but I think I want to wait until it breaks below this weekly level. Because if it stays bullish, it's pushing up from this weekly support. But if the daily flips bearish and it breaks below these lows, then the sells look amazing. Don't want to rush anything on this Monday. You know, I want to take it easy. Catch a really nice trade to start the week. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Well rested. Got some Black Friday deals. This cat, bro. Looks like GJ might push down through this range. Morning, Benny. Let me tighten this support up a little bit. You know what? I'm gonna take this off because I've got that weekly line there. If pound yen was bearish right now on the daily time frame, I think I'd already be in some sells. Yeah, breaking the low. Just about a closure below, pushing. But the daily's bullish. I need this daily to flip. Plus no top wick on this 4 hour. An entry candle broke this previous high. Look at pound yen, fill this range. Do what you gotta do. This would have been some early sells right here in the brother's high. Look at that. Gold falls. Just want to look at something on the weekly. And 486. Right, just had to update my whiteboard real quick. These pound yen sales look good. They were looking good. Looking very good. See what gold's saying. I wouldn't even mind the push up from this area, this daily support area. You know what I mean? A little push up from here. And the gold does bounce off daily levels. So we do have a little resistance here. Some wicks above. Pound yen is the real. It's got the nicest range. It'd be good if GJ can fill this range, come down to the support, flip the daily bearish. That would be a good look. But if it forms a support up here, and we get a closure above this resistance, we've got this lovely range above, which is, how big is this range? 100 pips. Pip range above. Wouldn't even mind the buys. The buys actually look cleaner than the sells. Outside of this range. So I mean the clean range above, but down here we've got support right below. I'll check further to the left once we get there. Morning, Rosie. Quiet news week for GJ. Yeah, it is, you know. Apart from, so Wednesday, Bank of England, Governor Bailey speaking. So he could be talking about what the plan for the UK interest rates are. And that'll be the most exciting news all week. But even that, you know, might not do much to GJ. It's the news later on in the month that I'm looking at. So JPY, Japan's interest rates, because they had good inflation this or last month. So if they increase their interest rates, that will definitely give some direction to pound yen. We've got Bank of England interest rates this month too. So, and I think CPI, obviously CPI, will be in a couple weeks. It's usually middle of the month. So yeah, we're going to get some movement despite it being December. Gold pushing up. With the daily being bearish, get a closure above. I think might get a fake out. Continue bearish. So I wouldn't take buys long term. Kind of counter trend. Oh, this 4 hour level is strong. Look how much it held last week. And every time we pushed up from this level, we made a higher high. Tricky one with gold. The fundamentals were mainly bearish. Structure wise, it's still quite bearish. It's a lower high. Gold has been a bit tricky lately. Thank God for GJ. Potential break and retest if this candle closes above 190.7. 1. Wow, we're closing the gap on this range. Got a little 15-minute resistance there. Price closes above. It's got like 50 pips. Not bad. Just about a closure above. Got 30-minute closure above as well. I like these gold buys. Yeah, they look good, to be honest. Got a closure above. Got a clean candle to the left. Only thing I don't like about it is obviously the daily's quite bearish. Not even quite bearish. The daily's very bearish. And we've broken the previous daily low as well. But we do have this like wicky area right here. But you know, it's Monday morning. I'm going to take it easy. Look for the cleaner setups. Right now, the higher time frames are against me. 4 hours bullish, but the daily's bearish. Yeah, so the only other bearish confirmation would be the push up from the daily support level. So yeah, I mean the buys, yeah, they're not bad. It's just I think I want better buys. I don't want just this little range here, because structure wise, this is the last, well, it's not the last, this is the last lower high. But we've still got a low here, lower high here. So this could just be making a new lower high here. The current candle. Oh, this futures range, man. Got filled nicely, very nicely. It's a shame, really, because the move really was here. This would have been the move this morning. Retested the resistance, formed a nice resistance at 6 o'clock. Engulfed this whole push up, to be honest. Made a nice top wick, although the top wick broke the previous low. Flipped, filled this candle wick, pushed down. Only thing is the daily was bullish at the time. And again, we are pushing up from a weekly support area. So yeah, but it's kind of, the sells are setting up. Daily should flip bearish and start looking at some sells. If this support doesn't hold. Now, if I get a closure below this support, I'll be looking for sells. Because this here, I would expect price. This is like the weekly low. And once the daily's bearish, see what I mean? The weekly low is like right at this support. I anticipate that, yeah, we can just fill the daily wick again. And then just break it and continue down. So just waiting on that closure. What's gold doing? Pushing up. I'm surprised this hasn't done anything. I'm sure it's broken. Yeah, it's broken the high already. Go and drive. Alright, I'll be right back. All right. Pound yen pushing down. Right, the support. Lovely. Will it hold or will it break? What's gold doing? Okay, gold getting a little push up. A little push up. Not quite 10 pips yet. On the break of the high, nearly. Yeah, gold might fill this range. Looks like it. That's good. Benny, did you catch these buys? Yeah, even on the 15, kind of got a closure above. Retest, push up. Looks juicy. Can't lie. Yeah, I'm in gold. Lovely. Closure below pound yen on 15. Asian lows are like right here. Nope, they'll be about here actually. Yep. Yeah, GD is very bearish. 50 pips since the break of this low right here. For this range. 15-minute closure below. Gold is pulling back. Damn. This is a 15-minute top wick. Retest. Looks like a break and retest on the 15th for pound yen. I'm still on a 30-minute closure below. And then I'm going to be in some sells. Pound yen trying to come back into this range. We still got 11 minutes till the 15-minute candle closes and 30 minutes. So I was kind of anticipating a gold fake out from above here. So push up through this clean range and then continue down. But at this rate, looks like it might be happening now. This was the fake out above here and then push down. So let's see. New 15-minute candle broke the previous low. That's why I didn't trust these gold buys just yet. But I mean, if you did get it, it did push up. scalpers is looking for small amount of pips. So if you did scalp this, got a break of the high, 18 pips. You hit break even. Yeah. Counter trend trade, you definitely have to manage your risk well. Definitely have to manage that risk. Pounds, yen. Oh, this is why I do not take 15-minute trades. It shows me time and time again. This is why. Let me even come off the 15-minute time frame. But shows how strong this support level is. Let's see if gold pushes back down in this range or just get a retest. So pound yen's bullish again on the daily. In 7 minutes, could still get a closure below. If the daily stays bearish, that's a good sign to continue down. So even if we don't get a closure below the support, if the daily candle stays bearish, it's a good look to continue down. Hey Ferdos, happy Monday. Happy Monday indeed. How did you end last week? You hit TP for pound yen? Hit your TP, good job, good job. I'm waiting on some more pound yen sells this week. If this daily can stay bearish. Damn. That happens too much. No internet, no money. Right, if this resistance holds here for gold, it could push back up. If it closes below, then it might sell back down to the support, down to the daily. Pound yen support might just be holding. Yeah, Asian only problem is internet and raining all day. It's in London, rains all day. We just have our internet though. Same thing here. Okay, let's push up from pound yen at this support. So no sales just yet. Daily's bullish. 4 hours bearish. The 4 hours giving me like strong sell confirmations. You stay in the mountain. Oh yeah, rains when it's higher up as well. You get the worst weather higher up. Yeah, 4 hour looks very bearish. Obviously, you've broken the previous 4 hour low. I think we'll get the sales today. It'll just be a lot later. And that's just based on the 4 hour time frame. Let's see. So gold holding at this support. New candle. Sumatra Island. When it rains, is it still warm though? It's not cold, is it? Yeah, like a warm rain. Tropical. Alright, we've got a top wick for the 1 hour. Are we going to fill this wick or respect this support and push up? What do you want to do, pound yen? The support is strong on GJ. Yeah, it is. It is. That's why I want to close it below. If the support can break, then we'll have the confirmation to sell. With gold, we had a 1 hour closure above, the 30-minute closed, and then the next candle held at this resistance. So if we respect this resistance, gold can continue its push up. If it breaks back below, then yeah, we've got, this is the fake out then. Your island has a volcano. Ooh! One thing I wouldn't want to live near. Oh yeah, let me do that on here. $32.20, 30.08. Okay, gold is gonna drop back through this range. That was a little fake out. Gold's dropping, GJ's pushing. See if GJ breaks this previous 30-minute high, then we could have a support forming here. And back to the top of the range. Or we could just be breaking up this push down, it's a little bullish candle, and then continue bearish. It's a strong support form though on the 15-minute. broken the previous high. Oh, Mondays. To be fair, the trade opportunity was an hour ago. Was at 7 o'clock. Was this bearish drop? I mean, resistance, kind of a closure below. But once this candle broke here, the sell was all the way down to fill the range. That would have been the perfect trade to start the week. The only reason I hesitate is because the daily was bullish at the time. But the 4 hour broke the previous 4 hour low. So yeah. Sales would have been nice. Oh. Okay, Goldie. Okay, GJ is really holding this support. It's like a 15-minute fake out. Closure below, closure right back above. Break it. Oof. Good push up. Looks like gold is pushing up too. All right, gold. Gold looks like it wants to push. Could just be a top wick. To get the closure above on the 1 hour though, if it could fill this wick. And keep an eye on the price. Could just be a pound yen top wick as well. Okay, pound yen, flip bearish, fill this wick. There we go. Close below. Let's get these sells in. Can't drive down. Right, new 15-minute candle. It's a long rejection wick. GJ. And gold. Okay, gold formed a support at that previous resistance. So this resistance is now turning to support on the 15. So gold is kind of holding above this area. So I think we'll get some more buys up. If this 15-minute breaks this previous low, we've got a nice lower high. Continue down. Markets aren't very clean right now. What's gold doing? It's not flipping bullish just yet. Once this 15 flips bullish, breaks this high, should get another push up to at least, you know, this 2636 area. I'm back. Just lost the internet. No trade for me today. Just watching the market. Yeah, Mondays can be a bit hit and miss. Sometimes I like to wait for Monday to the markets to set up on a Monday, give me some direction for the week. That would be good. Because gold on the daily already. We've already pushed down to the daily support. After this Monday candle, today's candle closes below. Then I believe I'm looking for sells this week because we've broken the last previous low and a closure below support. If it doesn't, if this support holds, then potentially I could be looking for buyers this week. We've got this strong 4-hour area here as well. So we'll see how today turns out. Even with pound yen, is it going to hold at this weekly resistance, this weekly support? Is it going to hold? If today breaks this previous low and support, then I'm definitely looking for pound yen sells this week. Even a stronger sell bias. So it all depends on this Monday candle. The monthly candle just starts looking going down. Yeah. I mean, the monthly candle is going to have to make a wick as well. It's made a nice top wick. I mean, if we break the monthly low as well, yeah. I think today will give us a good setup. Breaking a monthly low too, that'd be a strong confirmation that price is bearish. Yeah, I'm definitely more into the sells for pound yen. Just not with a bullish daily candle at the moment. Gold's pushing up again. I want this 1 hour to flip bearish and then fill this previous 1 hour wick. That's what I would like to see. All right, pound in doesn't want to push down. It's actually making higher lows. Still an hour and a half till this 4 hour candle closes. If it closes with a long wick like this, then pound yen might go up. Oh man. Gold's dropping again. But it didn't break this previous 30-minute candle high, which is not a good look for the buyers on gold. Right, how's this candle gonna close? We see strong bullish, respect to the previous low. Daily still bullish. If this 4 hour candle flips, bullish. And pound yen is definitely going up today. Gold so just tap this minor 15-minute resistance and is not breaking it. This is quite a big range we're in now though. 87 pip range. Even gold's not giving us any entry, right? Nothing at this point. Nothing. I like pound yen more than gold because it has a bigger range. Now, in gold now we've got these wicks on either side. Got pound yen, we've got this clean range in the middle. Clean range above. Right, new 30-minute candle. And gold looks like it wants to go down. Pound yen pulling back a little bit. Nothing crazy. I wonder if pound yen is just going to play this range today. We've retested support. We formed a nice support here. We've engulfed the previous candle. This 30-minute pushes up and breaks this high. It could buy back to the top of this range. 4-hour flip bullish. The 4-hour candle opened here. Gold still holding at this previous resistance, now support. Yeah, it might not be anything this London session. M15, nah, M15 is not for me. Not for me. That's Benny. Benny likes the M15. Nah, not for me. Did have a little continuation pattern here on the 15-minute. Especially when it didn't break this previous low. It looked good. Yeah, I need 30-minute confirmations for my my trades, my setups. So normally this right here would be a confirmation for me to get into some buys. If the higher time frames, if the daily was bullish and the 4-hour was bullish, then I'll be looking at getting into some buys at the break of this high. But where the daily's bullish, but the 4-hour is so bearish, I'm not going to take anything. Rather wait till both time frames are in alignment. Gold breaking this resistance again. Formed a lower high, respected this resistance up here. At these gold cells, they look good. Feel this wick. But again with gold, daily's bearish and the 4 hours bullish. This does look like a continuation pattern to go down, so it should fill this wick. There's the wick fill, 27, 26.9. It's been a nice trade on the 15. If you take the 15-minute entry, break of this low, 18 pips. $48.6. Cool. It's like this candle doesn't want to push down. Oh, it heard me. Go on, keep going. No, nothing on gold yet. Asian session gets all the moves. Pushed all the way up. Let's retest this previous resistance. So last week, Friday, I did catch a late move. It wasn't even really late. It was, where did I catch the move? I got some sells on Friday. But I remember closing around here, around this support. Yeah, I think it was here when the price made a lower high. Took some quick sells down. So I had a resistance formed. Lower high in the structure. Boom. Sold down to, yeah, I think it was about here. About 20 pips. Nothing crazy. Come on, gold, give us the wick fill. It's a good thing I got out. Look, price pushed, came down, tapped this weekly support, and then pushed up again. 100 pips. A 100 pips, and this is in an hour and a half. Down here. Alright, gold's broken a previous low, got that nice continuation pattern. Oh man, what a quiet session. Alright, gold. Didn't want to continue down. Gold rejecting the lows. I wonder if it's going to close above this resistance, turn support again. Right, pound yen to tap this support right here. Look how that 15-minute close. It looks like it's going to be another continuation pattern, to be honest. Something like this. Small bearish body. If this candle breaks its high, we continue pushing up. Very tricky. Very tricky. Okay, gold closed right there. $15 is going to break the high. 30 minutes going to flip bullish. Oh, wow. Gold buys. Morning, Caswell. Morning, morning, morning. I think a quiet session. Missed the sells here. I say missed it, I just didn't take it. But these would have been the nicest sells. As soon as the stream started, 7 o'clock. Once it made the top wick, broke this low, sells all the way down to support. That was the move right there. back 1 second. All right, breaking a previous low. Come on, GJ. Flip bearish on the daily. If we get a closure at least close to this support, I think we might get an impulse entry to sell down. Looks like gold is pushing back down a little bit. All right, daily, bit bearish. Let's go. Very slow morning. It's going to be a late trade today. Or we could just stay in this range. All pound yen pulling up. Might get that continuation pattern after all. But retested the daily flip. So it doesn't want to go bearish just yet. This 30-minute gonna close bullish. If it closes weak bearish, I might have a continuation pattern to go up. It's the 1 hour looking like bullish after a retest of this daily flip. Alright, pound yen, nothing going on just yet. So I'm waiting for a retest of this support. See if it breaks, get the closure below, continue down. If it holds, then potentially more buys up from here again. Might just stay in this range. But again, the 4 hours, very bearish. What was that? 4 hours very bearish at the moment. So I don't really want to take buys against this candle. I want to see how the next 4 hour candle opens at 10 in an hour. and then decide what I want to do from there. Yeah, right now nothing for me. How much left to the top of this range? 40 pips. Yeah, I'll wait. So I want to closure above this resistance, possibly retrace some of this drop. But overall, I am bearish on pound yen. I am bearish. So even if it does close above, I'm thinking it could form a resistance anywhere in this area, fake out and come back down. But a closure below the support and the break of Friday's candles low, and we're pushing down below weekly support as well. But yeah, the daily needs to flip bearish and push, which is just not really doing. It's just pushing into the support right here. So just got to wait for that with gold. Gold just seems to be ranging as it does during London session. Had a nice push up, and it's not continued to fill this range. Kind of done a fake out, but it's not pushing to the bottom of the range really. It's not pushing down to the support. But gold again is very bearish, but the 4 hour is bullish. So very tricky price action this morning. Just gonna wait to see what happens later, but ideally I want to take trades in the same direction as my higher time frame candles. So I'm just going to wait for the next 4 hour candles to open and then take it from there. So I'm going to leave it here for now. I don't see anything setting up on this next candle. I don't see anything setting up in these next candles right now. I won't take any trades after 9:30. So see you guys tomorrow, maybe later. Maybe later on today we have services PMI for USD. So I'll potentially trade. I'll drop a message on the YouTube if I do decide to trade that later. But I think it'll be a bit later. It's that 3 o'clock news. So yeah, have a great rest of the day. And I'll see you then.